Tomorrow we're gonna go rafting and we'll try to go hike Mount Kenya. How far do you think we'll make it on Mount Kenya?
Maybe 3 or 4, 3,500.
So Amanda thinks we just make it to the hotel. I think we're gonna make it to 4,444 meters.
Okay.
Let's see.
When would 4,500? I think we can do it.
Is this your bet?
You wanna bet on it? Yes.
The only rule is that we try to make it back to the hotel, to the place where we're sleeping, before it gets real dark. Did you read that there's a sign in front of the hotel? Like really close to the hotel there is a sign that says, "Be careful, dangerous animals when it's dark."
What kind of animals though?
It does not specify. So today we're gonna go rafting.
I am excited for the adventure, but a little bit scared.
We're not in rainy season, so it shouldn't be too bad.
No arms and too smart to work. Dolphin, deep space or deep sea, it's all mystery to me. Diogenes will laugh, you see, we're fools here too, endlessly.
I'm so ready.
See, they even have some caves.
An octopus greets with its silent flare. 8 arms but no fight, it just doesn't care. A coral cathedral whispers prayers to explorers lost in liquid air. The stars in the sky, the stars in the bright bow stretch forever above divine. If space is the future, the ocean the past, which void will we conquer? Which will outlaw? Deep space or deep sea, it's all mystery to me. Diogenes would laugh, you see, we're fools here too, endlessly.
Buddha smiling on a neon stage, shadows dancing, turning every page. My mind's
You ready to go back on the boat?
tunes, while the moon hums bass lines to the monsoon. I chase nirvana.
I think we're going without.
Chase a string, only to find it's the absence of everything. The river laughs, it knows where it's going, but I'm just a leaf, too scared of flowing.
Look, this looks so nice, huh? Looks really pretty.
I can go there.
Let it go, let it fly, let it hum through the sky. Breathe it in, breathe it out. Watch it lie, watch it die. Let it go, let it fly.
Are you still afraid?
No. All we are is a breath.
Back to the boat. Who's first?
I asked the Buddha if he'd spare some change. He said, son, the price of peace is strange. It's a coin you mint from your fears and doubts. Melt 'em down, pour 'em in till the fire burns out. And I'm a ghost, in a suit stitched from time, held by dreams and stitched with rhyme. The trees stand still, but they're always growing.
You did it.
I'm just a
You did it. You did it.
seed afraid of sowing. Let it go, let it fly, let it hum through the sky. Breathe it in, breathe it out. Watch it live, watch it die. Let it go, let it fly, let it hum through the sky. All we are is a breath. Then goodbye.
It's the drop. Ready? So today we went rafting, which was fun. And tomorrow we're gonna go to Mount Kenya. And look at my fucking face.